Hey! To make a sports logo with Placeit.net, you simply go to the left-hand side of the menu bar and mouse over the category that you're interested in to reveal subcategories. In this case, the category is logos, and the subcategory will be sports team, or use the search bar. A new window where you can surf through all the options available will be open. At the very top of this page, find this custom experience header, in which you can simply type in the name of your team to see a preview of all the different online banner ad options available with your info on them. Choose your favorite, click on it, and personalize it. On the left-hand side, we're going to find the options for your text. Use each text box to write down your logo info. The little check mark next to each text box allows you to get rid of that line if you don't want it. The little box below each one allows you to change the font style, and next to it there is the color box, which allows you to pick a color for your text. If you want to select a specific color, just click on the More button to find that color, or just enter the hex code. On the right hand side, you can select the graphic, or if you only want the letters, get rid of the image by clicking the No Image button. Now choose a color for the background, a main color, and an accent color for your logo by following the same steps that you already know. Scroll down to find different presets or to see the selections applied to similar templates. And that's it! Click on the blue download button at the top to get it.